Your garden called. It's dying a slow and painfully dry death.
But don't you worry, my homegrown waffle cone.
Introducing Mr. Landscaper's drip irrigation systems. With my old sprinkler, I was using around 144 gallons. Now, with Mr. Landscaper, I'm using roughly around 10 gallons per microspray. Getting a traditional irrigation system is difficult to install, expensive, and sometimes you have to hire a dead-gum contractor to do the job. Turns out, with Mr. Landscaper's efficient designs and easy-to-follow instructions, my husband can actually garden now and not ruin the plants. You're doing great, honey bun! But how exactly does it save me so much water and prevent my plants from drowning, you ask? Well, it's in the name. Drip irrigation slowly drips water or sprays a gentle mist. Both send water right into the root zone, leading to happier, healthier plants. So not only does Mr. Landscaper save you water and money, but time. They have kits that are customized for just about every application. Most of them can be set up and running in under 30 minutes. I can finally spend time actually gardening rather than watering. So if you want to save your money, save your water, and save your time, do what I did and click on the link. Go to MrLandscaper.com and get yourself one of them kits.